guys, welcome to Diecast Beast YouTube channel. So after a very long time, I got to do a quick unboxing of this beauty. I couldn't resist doing a video of this one. So this is Tarmac Works Toyota Hilux. They have released this recently on their web store. So I'm a Tarmac Works collector club member, so I got a chance to purchase it for 10% less value, I guess 10%, or I can't remember. There's a discount for members. So this is a Toyota Hilux, and it's the normal packaging. Talking about the packaging, so there's a Tarmac for Good logo here. So there's a percentage going for a charity, and also there's here's you can see all the licensing stuff Tarmac does. So talking about the Tarmac, it's purely about the quality. So these ones are not toys. So these are purely display models. That's why it comes with this acrylic box. I'll leave the rubber case cardboard case as it is, because then this is how normally unboxed, so I can repack them later. So I'll just get the acrylic cover out, leaving this cardboard piece inside. And okay, here's the collector card. So that's another thing you get with Tarmac Works model cars. So this is 1078, and this certifies that this 1:64 scale model is a limited production model, and you are now a part of our model car revolution. So there's a chassis number as well. Good job, good work. All right, so this is the acrylic box. There's no damage to the acrylic box, it seems, but there's a you can see a few marks on top, but I think I can easily remove them. Okay, let's open. Wow, what a cool model. So you can see the Toyota Hilux and Tarmac Works logo down here, and it's a plastic base, and it's pretty much matching to the vehicle decals, the base decoration. Wow, very nice. I know, let's open this. Let's unscrew this, not open, what I'm saying. Alright, found my trustworthy screwdriver. Let's open. Okay, I'll leave this to here, and there you go. So normally Tarmac Works Hobby 64, sometimes they don't, the wheels are not rolling, because it's impossible them to get the correct proportions with rolling wheels. But this is a lifted version, so I guess it's not impossible to get the wheels to roll. See? All right, and talking about the model, you can see the front, very nice. I'll do a close-up. Okay, now you can see properly. See the details. Whoa, incredible details by Tarmac. So if you closely check, I'm not sure that you can see or not. You can see the brake caliper inside, brake pads, and the wheel as well. So this is a TRD version, which means I was thinking that we can open the this part, but no, I'm not gonna try that. Can't open this one. It seems so TRD. This is a TRD version. So TRD means in Australia it's Rugged X, and this is a 2009 version, because after this there's a facelift Hilux introduced to the market, but this is a really popular model. Check this out. I'm not sure that it's properly focusing. It says Toyota classic racing or something. And check this out. Wow, this is a right hand drive version, which is better. In Australia we drive in right side, left side, and right hand driving. Wow, incredible details. So thumbs up Tarmac Works, thumbs up Felix. Wow, see this one, TRD bash plate. Awesome. So all the details are here, and I like this rear part as well. So good work, Tarmac. I'm waiting to see the other color variations of this one as well. I know there are a few coming in coming months. So job well done. I'll take some photos of this car and post in my Instagram. Please follow me. Hit the subscribe button down here and follow me on Instagram as well, Diecast Beast. Yes, I'll see you with more videos soon. Okay, so where to buy? In Australia, Little Lucas Toys, or you can straight away go to the Tarmac Works website and purchase these stuff. Alright guys, I'll see you with another video soon. Bye.